Hello, hello, and I say hi. Welcome to the show. We love you so. I feel so good. Hello, hello. We play the blues. Sometimes we
can you believe it?
swing. We also rock. Sometimes we stay. Would you shake that thing and boogie too? When you're feeling low, come on, have a good time.
I see Hanging with Mr. G Seeds has one, and finished. He did a really good job painting it. And I've got 3 of these kits in the box. This one I think is the most complete, so I thought I'd open it and share it with you, and we can kind of take a look at it together. This is how they came. This kit was opened, and I purchased it online, I don't know, probably 15 years ago or so, and I just kept it in the box. I definitely want to build one of these. I think they're a pretty neat kit. There's 2-piece slicks and then the smaller front tires. This is the body. I'm getting over a little cold here, so if you hear me snuffle, I'm sorry about that. The other components are pretty interesting. There's not a whole lot to the kit, but I think it's really kind of neat and exemplifies, you know, that era of funny car. There's the frame assembly with the cylinder heads, parachute. I'm pretty sure all the components are here. Some of the stuff has been taken off the tree, but I have both of those pieces. Empty tree, but there's some more components in here. Got the hood, and then the engine came in several different pieces. So, cylinder heads, and then this was the chrome tree with all the different components. Also have the original decal sheet, the Dodge Revellion, and then the instruction manual. (1964). Kind of shows the frame going together, and then the final assembly for the body and components. So I wanted to share that with you. I also came across these decals. I had purchased a bunch of vintage parts off of eBay, and I was going through some decals, and look what I found. I believe that's the original Red Alert decals. It's been cut up a little bit, but I'm thinking I can scan this and Photoshop it and repair it and put in, you know, what's needed that's been cut out or missing. So I may try to do that. And I also found this, which is kind of cool, and if you know what this is, put it in the comments. An MPC kit. I'm not sure what it's off of, if it's a van or, but if you have any idea what that is, leave it in the comments below. I'd sure appreciate it. So that's a quick post for Saturday. Happy Saturday. I'm still working on the builds. I'm going to do an unboxing of the 34 Ford here in the near future, so I've got to get working on that. And thanks for stopping by. Hope you have a good Saturday, everybody.
Hello, hello, and I say hi. Welcome to the show. We love you so. I feel so good. Hello,